Cream. Hey, Amy. Cream, cheese. Thank you so much for coming to our sleepover. Man, is it gonna be a blast! Hi, everyone. Hey. Hey, guys. Good evening. Hey, darlings. Hey, guys. How you doing tonight? Oh, we're doing very good. So glad that you come up. So glad that you can stop by and stay with us for the night. This overnight meeting is going to be great. Hey, Sonic, can you not snore? I'm trying to get my beauty sleep here. Oh. Sorry, Lavinia. I'll try and remember that next time. That's okay. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Oh, Knuckles? Hey, Knuckles, wake up! You're snoring. Huh? What? Huh? Oh. Sorry, guys. I'll try not to snore again. That goes for me, too. Well, hey, Lavinia, you're smothering me. Stop snoring, or I'm gonna go Rita Hayworth on you. You said it, Lavinia. Joe, your snoring is starting to get on my nerves. I agree with Silver. You best stop snoring, or Lavinia will go Rita Hayworth on you. I guess let that be a reminder to not snore again, honey. Got a good point. Oh my. Sure is noisy, isn't it? Yes, I agree with you, Cream. Sure is noisy. Sonic, what did I tell you about snoring? Okay, sorry.